Hi, so today we're going to be discussing how to create and start and participate in a Zoom meeting. I do have the Zoom app pulled up on the computer right now. I created a meeting by going to meetings in the top and then pressing this plus sign to schedule a meeting. I did schedule it, and then I copied the invitation and I emailed it to one of my friends. And so we will get on to the meeting and then wait for her to join. And we'll do that by pressing the start button, and then it pulls up the meeting. And let's see. We will start the video, and then now you will see me on the screen. So we'll just wait for her to get on. Okay, so Shelly joined my Zoom meeting, and so now we're going to demonstrate how a Zoom meeting takes place once you're in it. Hey Shelly, how are you?
Hey Taryn, I'm good. How are you?
Good. So what are y'all doing this weekend?
Well, we have our kid's birthday party tomorrow, but tonight hopefully we're just gonna be relaxing.
Well, that'll be fun. What are y'all doing for the party?
Well, it's supposed to be raining all day tomorrow, so hopefully not playing in the mud, but it'll be behind our house, so it'll be a short walk.
Oh yeah, that'll be fun.
Hopefully we won't get too wet, but what are y'all doing?
Well, I have a hair appointment, and then we'll be watching the Cowboys play Sunday and all the football this weekend. So,
oh, that sounds like fun.
Not very eventful, but
No.
All right. Well, hope y'all have a good weekend, and we will talk soon.
All right. Well, thank you.
Okay.
You too.
Bye.